Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ufezile Ngobane lo bekamsolwa eqalweni lokubulala Olorado Mongale has been cleared. Kuthiwa ufikele police station yesterday lapha kwaMashu police stations to hand himself over. Ngemva kokuthi bantu bamtshele ukuthi hey wena uyatrenda wena uyafuneka eqaleni lokubulala intombazane lena 30 years leligama layo Olorado Mongale. Uthe makafika police station laphana wafike washo ukuthi utothanda over because uvile ukuthi thiwa has been wanted and akati ukuthi what is really going on. So uyasho ukuthi they used the ID yakhe basebenzisa ID yakhe ku-Raykai SIM card. Apparently this phone was used to communicate with several women so that bakhona kubabambe inkunzi, and uyasho ukuthi yena nje ubesebenzele car wash akade nje ukuthi gcina kutholakala kanjani ukuthi aqine abanzakanyeka, and he further said ukuthi akahlali ekudzeni na the deceased lo beka main suspect eliqaleni lakhe Olorado. So people are saying ukuthi shame looks are deceiving, looks are really deceiving, because everyone thought ukuthi yeah lo vele uyambona ukuthi umbulala iqobo nje. Abantu abaningi basibona ipicture yakhe babona ukuthi hayi la ubude vele uyabona ukuthi cha sigebengu bophila ngenkosi ngeke baze batholela easy nema girlfriend or ma dates right emamall, because uvole ubone the charming face and don't even think ukuthi usigebengu. So bamclearile ufezile Ngobane ubuyele ekhaya, and like people are saying ukuthi inkosi yami, let's make this news trend ukuthi hayibo phela the guy has been cleared ekubulaleni Olorado, because people were saying ukuthi nje utholakele so they hand over because ubonile ukuthi umngane wakhe abambulele, kanti no shame nangu umuntu bekayohlala ejele owahlalele into lekangayadi. So it's a good thing nkosi yami ukuthi udecide ukuthi hand over, because rumors are saying ukuthi futhi nje akanayo nefoni uNgobane. Ubone nje abantu sebamtshela ukuthi hayi wena uyafuneka hayi bokwendakalani. So ngiloku bamtshela bamkhomba ama picture hayi nayi washaqeka ngiloku aya lapha kwaMashu police station so that atokhona kuyosho ukuthi hayi cha angiyadi mina lento leni ngifunele yona. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I am signing out. Goodbye.